Tubers. Well, I got this S200 so I can do a neighbor's place, and I can't get it to run. Had the carburetor off twice, sprayed it all out with gum out, and it still won't run. If I let it sit for a couple hours, it will fill up. The carburetor must fill up with a little bit of gas because it will prime about 5 times and just start blowing air again, and it'll of course start off that. So I know my ignition and system, everything is okay. It's just something with the carburetor. Guess I'll have to take that off and boil it. But so you all can see, haven't had much snow here in Rockford. Hardly any, just a couple inches sitting on the ground. So I'm gonna start the Toro, and then I'll start the Jacobson too. But it's good to start them up, let them run a little bit, you know. Let's see, key on, choke out, and it's been a while. We'll give it, say, 3 primes, I guess. I'll see if she'll start. Well, thanks for watching, tubers.